welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a makeup look that's sort of like a soft glam, sort of first date Valentine's makeup look. This isn't too like different to something that I would wear sort of every day, but I wanted to do something that wasn't, you know, too tricky and sort of like could amp up from your everyday makeup look for sort of like a date night, or if you were just going to go out with some friends or whatever you wanted to do. This is just a really nice soft glam look that you could wear sort of any way you want to. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video, and if you're not ready, please subscribe, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like it before you leave. Okay, we'll get into it now. Okay, so I'm just going to start out with Benefit That Gal Primer. I haven't really been using this loads, but like, I don't know, I just came across it the other day and I've been using it a little bit. And it actually makes my skin quite nice and sort of tacky for the foundation, which I really enjoy. Sometimes I find that more hydrating primers don't necessarily have that sort of quality to them, but this one does, which is really nice. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation and mix it in with this Japonesque liquid light. My eyeliner just fell down into a little gap, which just looks like this, so just these two together. I've done this before in one of my other videos, I can't remember which one it is, but I do quite like mixing in like liquid products with foundations because it can just add like a really nice glow, and this foundation is really like running out, so I'm just going to pour a little bit out. Okay, I'm now going to take Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral, and I'm going to use this under the eyes, on the lids, and to sort of correct any little blemishes that you might have, just anything that you might want to brighten as well. This concealer is really good for like contouring if you get it in a lighter shade. This is quite a bit lighter than just a little bit lighter than my skin. I've still got like a tiny bit of like leftover tan, like not much, but like I'm not as pasty as like I have been before. And I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Once I put this down, there we go. Okay, I'm going to go into the Dusk palette, and I'm going to take Eden, which is this sort of peachy colour, on just a Morphe E30 brush, same brush I always use, and then I'm going to put that into the crease lightly, and then once I've done that I'm going to go in with some other shades and sort of deepen up the crease a bit. And now I'm just going in with the shade Saffron and this sort of rounded Eco Tools brush and just putting that through the crease. And now I'm just taking the shade Oud from that same palette. I'm taking it on this sort of flat shader brush, and I'm sort of bringing it into the crease and just making it a more sort of dramatic, deeper crease. I'm not doing a cut crease, just sort of, you know, making it quite defined. And I'm just like switching between sides and blending it out with the other side of the brush. Now I would use the gold in this palette, which is Nefertiti, but I'm actually going to use the gold from the Tartelette in Bloom palette. Just because the one in there's more like a sort of a duochrome topper, but I want like an actual like shadow. So I'm going to take this one, which is the shade Funny Girl, and I'm just going to take this on my finger because I find that that's the best way to apply it, and I'm just going to pop that onto the lid. I'm just going to add a small winged liner with the Lancome Plume liner. I'm just going to add some of this BH Cosmetics Bahama Bronze Duo Cheek colour, and this is like a floral blush. I really like this blush. I wasn't into blush for like the longest time, and then one day I was like, you know what, I'm going to stop wearing blush. And I've actually been wearing blush more than I've been wearing bronzer. Like, I haven't been wearing bronzer like at all because I just feel like it looks crazy on me. Like, this blush looks crazy on me. It needs blending out, but like bronzer always looks mad on me. I don't know why. I think it's just to do with the fact that I'm super pale. So I'm just going to apply this blush. And I'm just going to quickly powder my T-zone with the Makeup Revolution banana powder because I forgot to do that before. And I'm just going to highlight my cheeks with this Smashbox Soft Lights highlighter, which is sort of like a pinky tone highlighter, but like not too much. It's it doesn't appear like super pink on the skin, which I really like. But it's just a really pretty, like soft highlight. It doesn't emphasize texture at all. It's not quite as blinding as some other highlights, but it just looks really good on the skin. Like, you know, it looks like a a nice, fairly sort of strong highlight, but without being like, you know, lots of texture and stuff like that. I'm just going to highlight my inner corner with this Natasha Denona shadow, and this is in the shade Light Coral, and this is their metallic eyeshadow. And I was going to wear my Fenty lip gloss for this look, but I literally cannot find it anywhere. So I've got this new Pixi by Petra Shea Butter Lip Balm. This has got like a sort of a soft rose tint to it. So I think I'm going to put this on and then put some lip gloss on to try and replicate the look of my Fenty one, which I don't know where it's gone. I haven't been able to find it in like, I don't know, like a good month. Oh, this is very flat on the top. Is it wrapped on the inside? Oh, it looked like it had packaging on the inside. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. I thought this was going to be like way more shit. This is like as good as a lipstick. It's got just as much coverage as a lipstick. That's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and take this Stila lip gloss in Kitten, which is just like really sparkly, and it smells like freshly baked cookies, so that's fun. Now you don't have to put lip gloss on for, yeah, no, you don't have to put lip gloss on. I know it can get annoying, get stuck in your hair, and I suppose if this is kind of like your first day, I don't know, you might not want to wear a lip gloss. It's just going to get everywhere. It's going to be a mess. But I'm going to go ahead and just pop on a little bit to give my lips some shine, because I did think that lip balm was going to be more shiny, but it's got more of like a satiny finish. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop some of this on the centre of my lips. Well, I found my Fenty lip gloss, but a bit late now, isn't it? Well, at least I found it. I like couldn't find it for ages. Okay, and you just want to finish up with some setting spray and you're done. I'm just going to take a little bit of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation. Mist. Don't know why I said foundation. Oh, it smells like oranges. It's beautiful. Oh look, it like sprayed my curtains. Okay, so we are done with this makeup look. I think this is a really nice sort of soft glam look if you wanted to maybe do something a bit different. And it's quite simple to do. You can totally just use like the Tarte palette or just use the Huda Beauty, whatever you've got. If you had like a naked palette, you could probably get like a similar look out of it, but you know, it's a really nice sort of soft, pretty look that's like really flattering on the eyes. And yeah, for the lip colour, you can totally use a different lip colour, whatever's sort of a nice neutral shade for you, because I know that this lip colour won't be for everybody because I'm quite fair. But I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what you do for Valentine's Day, if you're doing anything fun. I thought we were going to go and do something fun, but I don't think we're going to be able to do anything now, so probably just going to do something quite chilled out, but you know, it's alright, it's going to be a fun day. And also, if you don't celebrate Valentine's Day, don't forget about Pancake Day, because it's one of the most forgotten days about in the year, because it's in like the similar time to Valentine's Day. I'm like, don't forget about Pancake Day, it's an important day. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, bye!